Yo, welcome folks. This is Tom O'Brien of TFNN. We go 5 days a week. We go 10 hours a day. We go 24 hours a day on the internet at TFNN.com. Always remember, folks, whatever you think about, you bring about. Whatever you focus on grows. Hope everyone's having a great day, safe day. Let's make it a great night, folks. Surrender and let go of the past. Whatever life takes away from you, let it go. When you surrender and let go of the past, you allow yourself to be fully alive in the moment. Letting go of the past means that you can enjoy the dream that is happening right here, right now. Yesterday's gone. Tomorrow's not here. What are you doing right now? Market-wise, let's take a look at it out here. We have the Dow Industrials down 195. NASDAQ off 49. S&P's down 16. Gold contract flat at $1,324 an ounce. Silver up 2 cents at $19.15 an ounce. Copper flat at $2.18 a pound. Light sweet crude up 60 cents, trading at $47.65 a barrel. Notes up 2 ticks, 131.16. Bonds are up 10 ticks, 169.18. King dollar up 124 ticks, 95.46. The euro is trading at $1.12, and the yen is trading at 101.01. Our phone number is 877-927-6648. Give us a call, folks. Want to know what's going on in your world. In the world of the S&Ps, let's take a look at them. What do you have? Okay. So bottom line, folks, yesterday it tries to get, well, yesterday it did. The SPY did get into the gap from Monday. Today, it was trying to get into the gap from September 9th. That's your benchmark. That's where we went, that downdraft occurred. Bottom line, failed on price. Monster volume. Yesterday, you tried to make a high out here with 87 million. You're down at 121 million. You're down at $1.89. That is saying that you're going to see the SPY go right after the swing low here of $212.21. And I expect what we're going to actually see, that's not that far away from where we are, is that it's going to try to crawl into this area tomorrow. The Dow Industrials, same type of setup in the Dow Industrials. The Dow had got above the gap from Monday, then gave it up in spades. You're down 195 bucks. You're trading at 18,143. That's the 18,143 is actually also bringing it not only just to the failure, it brings it into a whole other level, meaning a lower level, because the Dow Industrials had broken topside, folks, on the 8th of July. That's when it takes off. Bottom line, you're right back into that lower range, and that does set up a 17,063 number, and that is the high volume swing low from Brexit. Now, the NASDAQ composite. The NASDAQ composite and the NDX 100, guess what? They're back inside the lower range again. So you get another false breakout, and this false breakout is pretty intense. The reason being is that we broke topside on the 21st rather. That's when the Fed did not raise rates. The composite breaks out of consolidation that's been in, stays outside of it for 2 days, comes back inside of it for a day and a half, gets back outside it yesterday, and then just gives it up. And you know what the difference is, though? Gives it up with volume, folks. Now you're coming off the highs again, and you're coming off the highs with volume. NDX 100, the 3 Qs, same type of setup. The 3 Qs closed at $117.84. Anything under $118.03 got you back inside the lower range. Yesterday, you went higher with 14 million. You can see the correlation. Bottom line, no one's in the store up at these highs. Pure distribution. When you're coming down, the volume is expanding in a huge way. The Qs now will go after the swing low that was established out here on the 12th of September. That swing low is $113.65. Gold contract. What do we have with gold? Sideways moving gold out here today. You did 144,000 contracts. You're at 1324. I expect gold is going to go after this lower swing point here at 1305. Silver, same type of setup in the silver market. Silver right now is trading up 3 cents. You did 52,000 contracts. And, you know, silver, we have to watch like a hawk tomorrow, because silver actually looks like it's set up an ABC structure on the way down, and it doesn't have to get too much lower in order to break that B point of an ABC structure on the way down. Let's go over, and because there's no doubt the financials were taking things south out here today. And what the financials have done, the XLF, thanks Terry, appreciate it. The XLF came down, and it's going down into, actually it's an ABC down. Look at this, yep, 1 second. 61 million, 62 million, amazing. Okay, so the XLF's a confirmed ABC structure on the way down, folks. What it's done is this. So the high of the XLF is $20 this last 6 months. It got down to the price point of $19.12. It goes higher, does a counter trend bounce. Tried to break the B point on Tuesday. It broke it, but it didn't break it on volume. Guess what? Complex ABC structure down. Blows it away today on volume. You're talking about an XLF that can make its way down to $17.31 now. So there's going to be some pain inflicted inside the banking structure. Oil market. Let's go take a look at oil. Oil saved the market yesterday, no doubt. Oil market out here today, you went to $48.32. Right now you're trading at $47.66. And this oil market, has to take out that swing point of $48.38. Until it takes out the swing point, the consolidation's still on. You can make the, let's see, 47.45. It closed over the highs of yesterday, so that's still saying it can make that run for that $48.38. Notes and bonds, folks. Notes and bonds, bottom line, they look like they're going to basically go higher again, and they're not going to break down once again. This is pretty intense because the 10-year is pushing. The volume's not great, but it's still 1 million contracts, which is good. The 30-year is still needs a lot more force in it, but the way that the 30-year traded today, meaning what the 30-year actually did, is that it got to a lower price point. It was coming into 246,000 contracts. It did 236, and I'm going to give it the benefit of the doubt that it wants to at least test the 171.01. And right now, we're at 169.19. We go over to King Dollar. We take a look at King Dollar. King Dollar is going to need more price spread, more volume in order to get the higher price. What King Dollar has done on a consistent basis is it continues to reject lower price. It has lighter volume. So when you pull that together, it looks to me like more than likely it's going to be good old King Dollar wanting higher price. That's going to put more pressure on these markets. This is Tom O'Brien. This is TFNN. You stay right there, folks. To come right back. Dow Industrials finished down 195. NASDAQ off 49. S&P's down 14.5. We're going to break back.